Welcome back to the Creative Art Collective. This is Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. This will be our last Saturday because from this week forward we're going to move to Wednesdays at 6 p.m. UK, 1 p.m. EST. Today I'll be creating a resin art bowl embedded with tree bark and gold leaf with my good friend Fiona. And oh my gosh, it turned out stunning. Just look at how pretty that looks. So a big thank you to all my subscribers, viewers and Patreon members for your support. I really appreciate you. Now Fiona and I did have a little mishap before the filming began, so we'll just explain what happened with the craft resin bottles, so brace yourselves. Right, I'm just going to do this lovely bowl as well. Fiona's really nicely offered that I can use this silicone mould and do some, put some other bark in as well. So I'm going to break off lots of this much larger piece and put it down the sides of this mould, and I'm going to pour resin in at the end. So, I'll do that while you tell everyone what just happened with our craft resin.
Okay, so we've got 3 bottles in total to make up 6 litres, and they come with pumps to make it easier to measure amounts out. So we took the first lid off and then we took the second lid off, and then we weren't sure which bottle was which, so we've had to do a test jewellery pendant to make sure that we know which one's the hardener and which one is the resin.
That's the problem when you're chatting away and you're not really paying much attention and you're having a good time and you're not looking at the bottles per se until afterwards.
No. Then we did a bit of Googling as well, which one's thinner, which one's thicker. We're 99% sure we got it the right way round, but we've put it in the machine to cure it a bit faster, and we're hopeful that it is going to set, and we did get it the right way round. But just a warning to everybody, if you buy craft resin, make sure if you put the pumps in, you label the bottles so that you know which is A and which is B.
Yeah. I mean, it's once you've got those lids off, it's no point really putting a sticker on the lid, is there? Because once you've got the lids off to put the pumps on, you don't then know which one of these is which. It's just they're both exactly the same.
They've all got no.
Okay, coming back to you. I don't know how to say this.
We've turned the brains back on, and we've just realised that in big text it does tell you which one is which.
Yes.
So we're having.
It's a dyslexia moment.
Yes, yes, definitely.
I don't know. We didn't even see it. And we looked for ages. I'm not joking. We even read the back and everything.
We couldn't see the wood for the trees.
Absolutely. Oh dear.
Oops.
Okay, yeah, so ignore everything we just said.
Yes, forget that. It's all okay, it does tell you. Perfect, no problems.
Oh my god. Oh, what are we like?
Is everybody else having a good day?
I hope so. I don't know how our day's going. This is just crazy.
Just a bit.
Yeah. I've just realised you can just push the middle down and get it in.
Yes.
Oh, the things you learn.
This is definitely an interesting day, guys.
Oh, we will get there. I just hope my kids haven't bitten the house down while we're out here.
Well, it's still standing. Can't vouch for the inside, but the outside's still standing.
Oh, that's good then. So is it going to be weird if I add gold leaf into here? Would that be like a...
No, I think that'd look good.
Old with new sort of thing. Oh god, I can't get these. There's bits everywhere now.
That is the snag with bark. It is very brittle. It will break up a lot. But it does look nice.
Yeah, lovely. I can't wait to see what it looks like later.
As you can all see, Tazzy's having fun here.
I really am. Apart from the brain fart I just had with that whole...
Well, join the club. Yeah, we're having fibro fog today. We're having something fog.
It's contagious. Anyway. It's contagious, I tell you. How can we not see those words? I just don't get that. I looked for ages.
Well, I just read the deep pour crystal clear bit and downwards.
And me.
I even read the craft resin above it. Yeah. I just completely missed the big white lettering.
Oh dear.
It's all good fun, guys. Don't weaken.
Yeah. At least you now know it's on there in case you ever wondered if it's on there.
So you won't have to go through what we went through. You will know the answer up front. Now the next question is, are you going to put a tint in there or are you going to keep it clear?
For this bowl I decided to keep the resin clear and see what happens because I really want to see that bark through it. I do have to tell you, although you already probably know, but this gold leaf is such a pain to get off your fingers if you're using your fingers, so I probably should have just mixed it in with my resin. Now time for some music. After mixing up my 2-1 epoxy resin from Craft Resin in my Resiners mixer, I then got some epoxy resin pigment from Decorum. The lovely Fiona brought these along, some beautiful colours, and I decided to actually tint it after all. And here I am, popping a little bit of green in, only 1 or 2 drops. And I want a very light tint to it. How much do you have? Do you remember?
180.
Yeah, and this was one.
That's 120. So I had 60 ml more.
Do you think that's? I think it's a bit light. Maybe I'll have another one. Oh, I don't know now.
You need a half a drop, but I don't
know that's what I was saying. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, hang on, I've got an idea. Don't drop it in there.
I'll put it on
drop
here.
Drop it onto there. And then just control. Oh yeah, put it in there, and then dip this in, and then you can just put a little bit in, rather than putting the whole drop in. You can control it.
Yeah.
Yes, that's better. I was thinking that had.
Oh, I hate this.
Yes.
Oh my days, I hate this stuff. There we go. Mash that up. Right, I'll just chuck it into the machine and see if I can. This stuff isn't. Right girls, we're ready now with our resin. We've got some gold leaf and lovely blue tint in here. This is Craft Resin, and we're going to pop that into there. Should we do that?
Okay.
Right, who wants to help?
Me.
Right, both of you grab this.
Looks like this.
Yeah, let's pour it in. We have to be very, very gentle. Don't get any on our hands. It's not good to get any resin, even though Craft Resin's safer than most, but we have to just go slowly. Ooh, did you see the gold leaf popping out? You can't see, so let's turn it this way so you can see it. Did you see the gold leaf falling out?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it? Well, we have to make sure we don't get too much in there.
Stop.
Oh, the bubbles are popping out, look. See the bubbles? We're going to pop this down a minute and see if it's... So squeeze the sides to get all the bubbles out. They're tiny, but don't squeeze too much, or all of it will spill out and go on your hands, and we don't want that. See the bubbles coming out?
Yeah.
We're trying to get it to go right into the crevices of this mould. And there's wood in here as well, so it has to go around the wood. What we want is to get all the bubbles out.
Wood in here?
Yeah, pieces of wood, bark. Let's hope it works. Right, done. I'll top it up the rest of it and we'll see what happens later, okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
We're going to leave that to cure when you can't.
The only place that I know is level in my workshop is I'm in two minds as to whether to add any of them or not.
Yeah. Oh, glass chips.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to overdo it as well, do you?
No, that's why I'm like, no, just the tint in the bottom, then the wood, which the tint will still affect the colour of the wood, but hopefully it'll enhance it rather than take away from it.
Okay, it's time for the great demold. I can't wait to see what these two look like. I did put some excess resin into this beautiful little heart mold. Lovely little keepsake thing. And yeah, let's see what happened. The bark on this one did float up to the top a little bit, but I will probably give it a top coat and sort that out, or maybe even grind it down using my Resiners rotary tool, and I'll be able to polish that off and smooth the back up anyway. Now, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love this one. It's gorgeous and it just feels the right shape, size, and it's so smooth across the top. The back does need sanding down a little bit, but I love how that catches in the light with the gold leaf, and you can see the detailing in the bark as well. It's lovely. I'll take a few pictures of it later, but I might back it even, I'm not sure yet, with this beautiful kind of multicoloured foil. I might do that. Or I might just leave it because it's quite pretty when it's clear as well. That's lovely. Now let's have a look at the bowl. I love this mould that Fiona lent me. It's lovely, isn't it? It's a perfect shape and size, and I love the floral kind of look of it. Look at the edges there. So the bottom probably needs a little bit of sanding around the edges because I did top it up with UV resin. So let's get this silicone mould off now, and I can already see the bark and how that's looking in the light. It's so lovely and detailed and natural looking, and then the gold leaf then as well next to that, and it's coming out quite well actually. It's quite easy to demold this one. Let's get that off. Brilliant. Okay, wow, look at this. It's quite hard to see it in this light, but I think I'll probably pop it outside later and show you in natural light what it looks like. But I love that, and look at all of those designs on the petals on the outside. I was inside the silicone mold, the kind of a floral rose type designs. I love that. It's so perfect. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And the two of these two go together really well, don't they? Look at that. That's a lovely mould. It was $7.99 from Amazon, I think Fiona said, but yeah. And the great thing is that there's no real visible bubbles that I can see. There might be a slight few, but it's come out really, really well. Look at that. You can see there's hardly any bubbles. And you can see the bark past that pattern there as well, and underneath for sure. You see the beautiful detailing of the bark, of the wood. So this is a interesting combination, gold leaf and wood, isn't it? And I think I'll try different combinations next time. But I'm really liking this piece. Yeah, that turned out awesome. Now I'll probably show you a lot of glamour shots now so you can see the full beauty of this piece. And don't forget, on the Creative Art Collective, we are now switching to Wednesdays at 1 PM EST and 6 PM UK or GMT. So do try and follow us over onto the Wednesdays. We'd love to have you and see you there in the live chats. And as usual, I'll have Let's Pour with Patty after me, and then Casey from CWV Artistry, and Sheldon is taking a break because of his work schedule at the moment, but he'll be back with us very soon. We do appreciate you joining us every single week, and hope you can come and join us on the Wednesdays instead of the Saturdays, as it makes more sense because people are usually very busy on Saturdays with family. So see you there on Wednesday, which is only in a few days' time, and thank you for joining me. I really hope you love my bowl and my little heart there. Let me know in the comments below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and leave a like and a comment. Thank you very, very much, and don't forget, up after me will be the lovely Let's Pour with Patty. Do stay till the end. Bye for now.